Yo, what's up everybody? It's Street King, and we're about to dive into the future of YouTube. 2025 is right around the corner and things are about to get wild on this platform. We're talking next-level content creation, the kind of stuff that'll make you question if you're living in a simulation. Imagine watching a video, but instead of just seeing it on your screen, it's happening right there in your living room. Or having an AI help you edit your videos so you can focus on the fun stuff. We're breaking down the biggest trends that are going to change the game for creators and viewers alike. Are you ready for the future of content creation? Because it's coming in hot. Let's get into it. All right, first up, we're talking holograms. These aren't just any holograms, but the kind that make you feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. Yeah, you heard that right. The future is now, and it's more exciting than ever. Remember those futuristic movies where people would pop up as three-dimensional projections? That's becoming a reality, and YouTubers are already figuring out how to use it. It's like something straight out of Star Wars or Blade Runner. Imagine this. You're chilling at home, scrolling through YouTube, and suddenly, your favorite vlogger pops up in your living room. Not just on your screen, but as a full-fledged hologram. Not on your TV screen, but as an actual hologram, walking around, talking to you like they're right there with you. It's like having a friend drop by for a chat, but in the most futuristic way possible. That's the kind of immersive experience we're talking about. It's not just about watching a video anymore, it's about being part of it. We're already seeing early versions of this tech. It's still in its infancy, but the potential is enormous. Some artists have used holograms for virtual concerts, creating performances that feel almost as real as being there in person. And there are even companies developing holographic displays for phones. Imagine having a 3D map pop up from your phone or a holographic video call with a friend. It's only a matter of time before YouTubers get their hands on this and take it to the next level. Think about the possibilities. The creativity and innovation that will come from this are mind-blowing. Imagine cooking tutorials where a holographic chef guides you through each step, right there in your kitchen. You can see the ingredients and techniques up close, making it easier to follow along. Or fitness videos where a holographic instructor motivates you through a workout. It's like having a personal trainer right there with you, pushing you to do your best. And it's not just about entertainment. The educational potential is huge. Imagine educational channels where historical figures appear as holograms to teach you about the past. You could have a conversation with Einstein or walk through ancient Rome with Julius Caesar. Or travel vlogs where you can practically feel like you're walking alongside the creator, exploring a new city. It's like having a personal tour guide showing you the sights and sounds of a place you've never been. Holographic vlogging is going to change the game when it comes to connecting with audiences. The level of interaction and engagement will be unprecedented. It's going to be way more personal, way more engaging, and honestly, just plain cool. The future of content creation is here, and it's holographic. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. This technology is still new and evolving. The tech needs to become more affordable and accessible so that more creators can use it without breaking the bank. And creators will need to figure out how to film and edit holographic content. It's a whole new ball game requiring new skills and techniques. But knowing the creativity of YouTubers, I have no doubt they'll figure it out. They always do. The innovation in this space is going to be incredible to watch. So get ready for a future where your favorite creators are beaming into your living room, making their content more interactive and engaging than ever before. Because holographic vlogging is about to become the next big thing. It's not just a trend, it's the future of how we experience content. Next up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, or should I say the algorithm in the code. The rise of artificial intelligence is not just a trend, it's a revolution that's reshaping our digital landscape. AI is everywhere these days, and YouTube is no exception. From recommendation algorithms to content moderation, AI is deeply embedded in the platform's DNA. But before you start picturing robots taking over your subscription feed, hear me out. The role of AI in content creation is more about augmentation than replacement. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume content on YouTube. It's not just about making things easier, it's about unlocking new creative possibilities. And no, I'm not just talking about those AI-generated voices you hear in some videos. AI can do so much more than just mimic human speech. We're talking about AI that can help you come up with video ideas, write scripts, edit your footage, and even create realistic special effects. Imagine having a virtual assistant that understands your creative vision and helps bring it to life. Imagine this, you're feeling stuck, fresh out of video ideas. It's a creator's worst nightmare, but AI can turn it into an opportunity. You open up your AI-powered YouTube studio, and it suggests a bunch of topics based on current trends, your audience's interests, and even your past video performance. It's like having a brainstorming partner that's always up to date with the latest trends. Or how about this, you've just finished filming a complex tutorial and now it's time for the tedious part, editing. The thought of spending hours in front of a screen can be daunting, but instead of spending hours cutting and splicing, your AI editor does it all for you, automatically syncing audio, adding transitions, and even color correcting your footage. It's like having a professional editor at your fingertips, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects. AI can also help you create content that would have been impossible before. The boundaries of creativity are expanding, and AI is the key to unlocking them. Imagine using AI to generate realistic deepfake videos, ethically of course, to make educational content more engaging or to create hilarious skits. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your imagination. Now I know what you're thinking. Won't this make YouTubers obsolete? It's a valid concern, but let's delve deeper. And the answer is a resounding no. AI is not here to replace creators, but to empower them. It's a tool that can enhance your capabilities and streamline your workflow. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Think of it as a creative collaborator, something that can help you enhance your workflow, free up your time, and push the boundaries of what's possible with your content. Think of it as a creative collaborator, something that can help you enhance your workflow, free up your time, and push the boundaries of what's possible with your content. It's about working smarter, not harder. The best YouTubers are the ones who can connect with their audience on a personal level. And that's not something AI can replicate yet. Authenticity and human connection are irreplaceable, but by embracing AI as a tool, creators can focus on what they do best, telling stories, sharing their passions, and building communities. AI handles the heavy lifting, allowing you to put more energy into your unique voice and vision. So buckle up, because AI is about to change the game on YouTube, and it's going to be exciting to see what creators do with it. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Chapter 3. Virtual reality experiences jacked in and ready to roll. All right, let's talk about the holy grail of immersive experiences, virtual reality. We've all seen the clunky headsets and the promises of being transported to other worlds, but VR on YouTube, that's about to get real interesting. Imagine this. You're not just watching a travel vlog, you're actually there. You've got your VR headset on, and you're walking alongside the creator, feeling the sand between your toes on a tropical beach, or feeling the spray of Niagara Falls on your face. The sensation is so real, you might even reach out to touch the water. Or how about this? You're learning how to fix a car engine, not from a flat video, but in a virtual garage where you can pick up tools, turn bolts, and get your hands dirty, all within the safety of VR. It's like having a hands-on workshop right in your living room. VR has the potential to completely transform the way we experience YouTube. It's not just about watching a video anymore, it's about stepping into it, interacting with it, and becoming a part of it. The boundaries between the viewer and the content are blurring. Imagine attending a live concert in VR, feeling the energy of the crowd and the music vibrating through your body. You can look around and see the stage, the lights, and even the expressions on the faces of other concert goers, or taking a virtual cooking class where you can actually feel the ingredients in your hands and smell the aromas as you cook. It's like having a personal chef guiding you step by step right in your kitchen. And it's not just about entertainment. VR can be used for education, training, even therapy. The applications are vast and varied. Imagine students exploring ancient Rome in VR, walking through the streets, visiting the Colosseum, and experiencing history firsthand. Or surgeons practicing complex procedures in a virtual operating room, honing their skills without any risk to real patients. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. VR headsets are still relatively expensive and not everyone can afford them yet. And creating VR content requires a whole new set of skills and equipment. It's a learning curve for many creators. But as the technology becomes more accessible and affordable, more people will be able to experience it. We're going to see an explosion of VR content on YouTube. The platform will be flooded with new and exciting experiences. Creators are going to push the boundaries of what's possible, experimenting with new formats and storytelling techniques, creating experiences that are more immersive, engaging, and mind-blowing than ever before. The future of content creation is here. So get ready to step into the future of YouTube because VR is about to change the game in a big way. The possibilities are endless, and the adventure is just beginning. So there you have it, the wildest YouTube ideas that are just around the corner in 2025. From holograms to AI to VR, the future of content creation is looking pretty incredible. Get ready for a whole new era of YouTube, where the lines between the digital and physical worlds blur and where the possibilities for creators and viewers are endless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.